What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a friend's truck, and I feel like this would be a perfect day to tell you if you should give your friends or family a discount. I'm in the van, as you can see, still. I have some unfortunate news for you. I think I am going to be selling the Flex. Let's just take a moment of silence real quick and remember all the good memories that we had with this 2013 Ford Flex Limited EcoBoost.
Till I drive you away, I know what you're saying.
Alright, that's enough. So, like I said, I'm going to be doing my friend's truck. And I feel like it's pretty important to know if you should give your friends or family a discount, because if you have your own detailing business and you have friends or family, they're going to want a discount. I'm telling you right now. So I'll get into it in today's video and we'll go from there. My friend's truck is a Dodge Ram. Honestly, I can't remember the year of it for the life of me. It's a little bit older. It's got wide tires on it. It's decently built. It's a pretty nice truck. But I think he's going to be selling it, so he wants me to detail it, clean it up for him. And that's pretty much what I'm doing today. It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning and going to hit 95 degrees today. So I didn't take my own advice on how to stay safe in the heat, but you know, it's just one of those days. It's one of those slow moving days. I feel like everyone's gonna have those days. Just gotta remember to keep going. All right, so obviously it's nice getting that work from friends and family. It's just that the main thing of them wanting a discount, and I'm not talking about, oh, you know, 10 bucks off, 20 bucks off. Nah, they want 80% off because they're related to you or they know you or whatever it is. And it's totally understandable, but it gets to the point where it's like, is it worth doing their car because you're trying to start a business, you're trying to run your business? And I mean, even if you're small, you still have a little bit of overhead. And if you're giving somebody, whoever it is, 80% off on a detail, you're just not making any money. And sometimes it can be hard to explain that to a family member because they'll just get upset. Like, oh, I've known you for this many years and you can't even give me some money off, or blah, blah, blah. I'm not saying all friends and family do that at all. Like, there's a mix between people that want to support me and pay me a little more than I ask, and then there's others that just want a discount because they know me, and it's just like that. I feel like most of the time when you do family and friends cars, you get on the phone with them to tell them the price, and it just goes like this. Hey man, I just finished up the truck. Oh, sick, bro. I appreciate that. So it came out nice? Yeah. It came out pretty good. Yeah, so you're probably looking at $350 for today. I saw a comment on one of the last videos that I did, and they said, "Where's your water tank?" So I wanted to talk about it real quick. So in my opinion, I'm only mobile right now, but in my opinion, I would say you don't need a water tank to start off. And I think all beginner mobile detailers or even professional mobile detailers that have been doing it for 10 years will say the same thing. You don't need to bring water with you. Obviously, it's nice because when you have a generator and you have water with you, that means that you're 100% mobile and you can do somebody's car literally anywhere it is. But I have never gotten somebody to complain that I'm using their water or power when I'm detailing their car. So I just want to let you guys know there's no need to bring water with you. And especially when you're starting out, it can be a little intimidating because you're going to get to somebody's house and ask if you can use their water, and you're probably going to think like, why would they let me use their water? Like, they're paying me for this service and they're not going to let me use their water. But I'm telling you they will, and the reason they're paying you is because you're doing the work, not the fact that you're using their water. So just wanted to clear that up a little bit, that you don't need a water tank starting off. Obviously it'll be nice to have one, but just when you get started, I mean, this is my second year doing it, so I'm still starting and I still don't have a water tank, and I don't even have my own van yet, even though I have a van right behind me. This isn't my van. I'm borrowing it because, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm selling my Flex because it has a stretch timing chain. So I'm gonna be getting another car soon. I don't want to say what it is yet. I'm hoping I'm gonna get it. I'm still in the process, but when I get it, I want to make a little montage of it because I love making videos, and yeah, it's just what I love to do. I hope you guys are seeing that I'm putting more work into these videos and figuring it out and getting better at filming and everything with it. I have a second camera that I use for all these other angles and like B-roll footage that I do, and I'm trying to incorporate that. I'm trying to incorporate that into the video just to make it more entertaining for you guys to watch. And then one more thing, I want to make a Q&A video, so if you guys have any questions for me, please drop them down in the comments. I'll read every single one, and if I like it, then it means you're going to be in the video. So probably every one of your guys' questions is going to be in the video because I'm still new. I mean, I think I hit like 25 subscribers, so yeah, but I think that's enough people to just maybe do like a 6 to 8 question Q&A for anybody that has any questions for me, somebody that is already out here doing it and making money and with that whole process. So yeah, ask me anything related to detailing. Outside of detailing will be a little risky because I probably won't answer it, but if it's something that is general in the area of like business and detailing, I'm probably gonna answer it. So you can either ask me in the comments, or you can go to my Instagram, which is ACS_detailing, and shoot me a DM there. And if you want to ask me a question privately, you can do that, or say, hey, can I be in the video? This is my question, and I'll go from there. But yeah, this is my fun B-roll footage of cleaning the truck, so hope you guys enjoy this. Guys, it is absolutely brutal outside right now. I don't know if you can tell by the hair, but it's so hot, so humid, sun's beating on me. It is what it is though. So getting to the point of if you should give your friends a discount, I'd say it's totally up to you. Personally, I like to hook them up a little bit, maybe take like $60 off or something. Like if they have an SUV, and I would charge them $260. I just charge them $200 because they are hooking you up. They're giving you work, and it's just a easy, reliable source, I guess. Or if you don't want to give them a discount, you can throw them in something like for free, like maybe a trim protection or some wax or just something to hook them up for free. I mean, I normally do that with everybody, just do some step for free on their car. It's a good way to keep a good relationship with your customers too. Honestly, I wouldn't really overthink the whole process of giving your friends a discount or something. I would just go with it. Somebody, I mean, you gotta start somewhere, and if it's friends and family at first, like you gotta start at a cheap price, and you gotta be able to show off your work. So it's not like, especially starting out, it's not like you're only getting like $100 for a $200 detail. Like you gotta think that you're gonna make an Instagram, a Facebook, a website. When you're done with those vehicles, you can take pictures of it and then put them on those places, and it's gonna help you advertise. So it's not like you're only taking in half of the profit because your friends wanted a discount from you. In the beginning, especially in the beginning, they're gonna be super useful because that's how you're gonna show your work off, pretty much. So alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Sorry I had to cut it short. It's just getting so hot out that I wanted to focus on the truck rather than filming. But yeah, I hope you guys took something from this video. This truck took me 5.5 hours to do the whole thing and the engine bay. So I was trying to move pretty quick today. The last one that I did took me 11.5, and that was an SUV. So I'm trying to figure it out, but that was also a premium full detail. This was just a basic full detail. So another thing with the basic is I don't remove stains. So you'll see some stains in the seats. It's just because I don't remove them in the basic full detail. So, all right, and that's pretty much it. I'll let you check out the truck.
This is Raven Beats.